Hey friends, this is Atif Opir Val and welcome to the new update on Render. In my earlier video, I was showing you that after the breakout from a down channel, price end of Render formed another descending triangle on the daily time frame chart, and this was one of those videos. Now, if you take a look at the live chart, then finally we have broken down the support of this triangle. And by the way, the technical target that I was telling you in case of breaking down this triangle uh, was here. That was at this support line, the top of the support line, approximately at $3.40, and you can see that the price line is bounced exactly from this support line. This was a very critical support line that I've been showing you in so many previous videos that had been previously working as a very, very strong resistance line. Now we are switched to the 7 days time frame chart. And here you can see that previously it had been breaking as a resistance line here from the month of Feb 2022 up till the month of April 2022. Then after the breakdown, it was flipped into a resistance here. And now after the breakout, since after November 2023, it is flipped into a very strong support zone. In fact, it is extreme demand zone. You can see whenever the price is just touching, we're hitting this support zone or demand zone. You can see that we are having nice rallies. Like here, we had a very nice rally when we tested the support zone here. We again dropped down here while moving inside this channel. We just touched this support zone, and we had another very, very nice pump. This was, by the way, from this low to I'm going to place this measurement tool here, this high. This was almost 248% bump. Now, recently, you can see that the price is again dropped down at this support zone, just touched this support zone, and now it is gearing up. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show this very, very massive rally that was begun here after the breakout from this channel. By the way, I have been showing you this channel almost 2 years ago when it was moving inside this channel. And you can see that from this low to this high, so far it has overall rallied more than 4,200%. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member. Because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Now let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for render that I shared on 22nd of November 2024 with my members. And that was a bullish cipher pattern that render formed on a 4-hour time frame chart with the US dollar pair. And this was a complete trade signal, buying zone, sell target zone, and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, and you can see that the price then started a very, very massive reversal from this buying zone. And it was almost 70% pump only on this 4-hour time frame chart. Now let me to take you to the live chart of render. And here you can see that on the 7 days time frame chart, we first broke out this channel. Then we had a very, very massive rally. During this rally, we broke out another channel. And after the breakout, the target that I've been telling you in my previous videos when it was moving inside this channel in those days, and target was here at the top of the channel, somewhere between $8 to $10. And you can see that the price and rallied beyond that target, approximately up to $11 here at $12.72, but found a very strong resistance on here from $12.50 to $13.85. Now, recently we have broken out another channel, and after the breakout, the price then broke down this descending triangle, and now we have again tested this very long-term support line, and we have again retested the previous resistance of the channel as a support. By the way, recently we have also broken down this support that was at $8 that was previously working as a resistance here. And recently it was again working as a resistance here. If you take a look at the daily time frame chart, then you can see that recently it was also working as a support as well. After the breakout, you can see that for a few days it had been working as a support. And after the breakdown here, it was flipped into resistance again. It is working as a resistance, and we will need to break out this resistance. By the way, the technical target for the breakout from this recent down channel, that is here again at the top of the channel. That is approximately at $3.85. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.